Judge Butler v. Court is now in session. Judge's case of Brown.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Brown.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court?
I did.
What's going on?
Well, she left when our son was 11 months old. He's
11 months?
11 months, yes. And she chose to pursue her career.
Wait a minute, I got hung up. You said 11 months 11 and he's months. 10 years old now?
10 years old now. She chose her career over being a parent, although she wanted to be a parent, and left me with the child. It's been hard. I do what I can do. Take care of our son. She's still chasing her dreams. Nothing wrong with that, but she did decide to have a child, and I just want to know what happened, some kind of financial compensation if she's chasing her dreams and making all the money she wants to make. Maybe she can just throw some money our way.
All right, guys, buckle up. This one cuts deep. A father walks into court after raising his son alone for nearly 10 years, while the mother, she left when the child was just 11 months old to chase a career. He's not just looking for help. He's demanding accountability. The judge's tone? Calm for now. But the emotions are real, and this is just the beginning of a powerful courtroom reckoning.
That'll be fine.
That would be fine, and I agree with that, ma'am. Is there a reason that you have not paid this man child support? He's been having your son for 10 years.
He said throw some money their way. What that mean? Throw some money their way?
Would you clarify for her what you mean by that,
Well, she doesn't want to be in his life and be around and be a mother, and I have to be the father and the mother, then maybe I should be compensated for being the father and the mother.
You mean by paying child support?
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's all he looks for is money.
Well,
okay, it takes more than air to raise a child, ma'am. You have to pay something. What else do you want him to receive to be able to raise this child? I'm listening.
And our child has dreams.
He needs to get a job and stop trying to depend on me.
What you need to do is listen to what I'm saying and answer my question and not worry about what he has going on. Everything is about you right now.
Isn't it?
Oh, yeah, it is. We'll get to the money part in just a minute in terms of calculations because this child has been with him for a long time, and to go without any sort of financial...
Tensions flare as the judge grills the mom on why she hasn't paid support. Her defense? That she's been throwing money his way. But parenting isn't casual charity. The father claps back, saying if she won't co-parent, she can at least contribute financially. The judge starts pressing hard, and you can already feel the temperature rising in that courtroom. You know it's about to get serious.
And based on what you've turned in, you've made money and you have not given anything to him for your child. It's absurd.
I've been throwing money his way, and I don't know what he's been doing with it. Because I make over $85,000 a year.
Excuse me?
Over $85,000 a year.
You make over $85,000
over
a year?
$85,000
She hasn't given you any money, sir?
Not too much. And really, the thing is...
This dude is lying. This dude is lying.
Excuse me. I can't listen to both of y'all at the same time. I have 2 ears, but I only can listen to one person at a time.
Well, the thing is, she's all free pursuing her career. I have to watch the child.
Wait a minute. What kind of... Ma'am,
Well, it's hard to find a job and take care of a kid.
What kind of career does she have?
She's an esthetician.
Okay.
Eyelashes, taking care of people's eyelashes. She makes pretty good money at it. Actually, she's good at her job.
And she worked hard for it too.
However,
ma'am,
diapers and...
Excuse me, sir. All this extra and this attitude, I'm the only person that can have an attitude in here, okay? Yes, it's right. So I'm gonna need you to tone it down a little bit, okay? Thanks. Go ahead, sir.
And our 10-year-old is a grown boy, and he has a lot of things he'd like to do, and it's very hard for me. I don't want to get any government assistance. I would like to do it as best as I can on my own. However, I can't go back to school and take care of our son and have a job and run a business. Is very hard, and
I imagine so.
It is.
I imagine so. What type of expenses does your son have?
He has normal childhood expenses, food.
Is he involved in extracurricular activities?
Yes, he likes to read. He likes games. I like to keep him with electronics and things, spark his interest.
What type of extracurricular activities?
He likes go-karts, motorcycles, He likes race cars, train sets, video games. He likes going out to the park, going to the lake, and all that.
Ma'am, do you hear all of that? All of that.
This is where the courtroom shifts. The mother admits she makes over $85,000 a year, yet the father says he's received barely anything. Judge B snaps into action, questioning where the money has been and calling out her inconsistency. The excuses don't match the facts, and now the conversation shifts from emotional neglect to cold, hard math. Things are heating up fast.
It sure does, and like he said, I've been throwing money their way.
Every now and then, it hasn't been consistent.
It's not very consistent.
And it clearly cannot be consistent. Otherwise, you wouldn't have a reason to be here.
Does he have a job? Did you ask him that question?
Ma'am, you know what? He's taking care of the child.
Doing what though?
The child lives with him. Correct?
Correct.
Right. So whether he works or not, it doesn't matter to me. What matters to me is that he is raising you all's child, and you're not doing anything consistently. So we're going to make that change.
According to him, though, right?
I want to see you do the same. After I finish with these calculations. Okay. So, who carries health insurance?
Obviously not him.
Do you carry it? Do you carry health insurance for the child?
Ask him.
Do you carry health insurance for
all the information?
Ma'am.
Well, see, that's the problem. I have a hard time communicating with her. Communication.
I'm having a hard time communicating with her, so I can't even imagine what you have to deal with and talking to her about the child.
And he just wants to know where his mother is and why she doesn't want to be part of our lives, and why she doesn't want to come around, why she wasn't involved in any of his after-school activities.
That is a legitimate concern. That is
the
a legitimate concern.
Know where his mother
Sir,
is.
Who pays health insurance for the child?
Well, the health insurance, it's kind of hard right now.
So he doesn't have any health insurance coverage right now.
He has no health insurance.
Please.
So we're going to fix that right now. So according to your own testimony and your tax returns and your 1099s, it does equate to about $85,000 a year. So what we're going to do is order you to pay child support. Based on your gross, it comes out to $7,083.33. And right now,
here's where things get heartbreaking. The father explains his son's love for go-karts, reading, parks, a full, beautiful life that he's trying to provide solo. But when asked about health insurance, neither parent has it set up. The judge's frustration peaks as she lays it out. Raising a child isn't just about food and games. It's about covering their basic needs. The court's about to bring the hammer down.
So you're also going to be responsible for obtaining health insurance for the child. Okay. And I'm going to order you to do that within 30 days. That's what you're going to have to do. I have your net resources at $5,138.10. So your child support obligation monthly, and giving you credit. How many other children did you say?
I have 4.
4. Okay. So giving you credit for your other children, your child support obligation comes out to $698.78. And I'm also going to order you pay back support to this man. He requested in his paperwork that you pay back support to him. It's known as retroactive child support. In Texas, it can go back the last 4 years. So in calculating what your monthly child support obligation should be for the past 4 years, child support back pay is $33,500. And
boom, the judge starts dropping numbers. Based on the mother's own income and testimony, the court orders her to pay $698 per month in child support plus $33,500 in retroactive back pay. On top of that, health insurance within 30 days. This is where the courtroom flips. From debate to decision, you can feel the mother's frustration, but the law just caught up with her.
Cents. And I'm going to have you repay that monthly at $1,000. So your total monthly obligation is $1,698.78 for child support obligation. Any questions about that?
As long as he get a job and stop living off of me.
You know what, ma'am? He can't be living off of you if you haven't given him anything consistently.
That's according to him.
Okay, well, you haven't provided me with anything different. Okay, so exactly. Is there anything further, sir?
No, not too much. As long as she doesn't want to be around and she's willing to financially help support him, then maybe I can go off and further my education and be a better father and mother.
Sounds good to me. So, if there's nothing further from either of you, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm done.
Okay, you know what? Man, cut it.
Just like that, justice is served. The father remains calm, asking only that she supports the child if she won't be around. The judge delivers a final dismissal, but what lingers is the real pain. A son wondering where his mother is. Money matters, sure, but presence matters more. What do you think? Should back pay be mandatory in cases like this? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell for more jaw-dropping courtroom showdowns. See you in the next one.